Hello and welcome to another video. This one's going to be a quick one. I didn't plan to do this video now, but I'm sort of testing out my throat after the cold I caught just after Christmas. It's the 3rd of January at 6:16. My dinner's going to be ready at 6:30. So I've had a cold after Christmas and I'm alright for a little while, and then I have a massive coughing fit, but I'm getting better. But I've got a change of circumstances as well, which I might talk about in a later video. And I might be able to make use of this more than I thought I would. I might have an iPhone coming, which will be... So here it is. This is the weird crossover between modern phones and cassettes. These were out about 4 years ago. This is supposedly, it is, look, new stock. So I'm half expecting it not to work. So what it is, it's a, let's have a quick look. Cassette tape wireless charger. So I think it's Qi standard, Qi charger. But I think it's got storage, like you can store, it's like a power bank. But I'm not entirely sure. It feels very light for that though, so maybe it's just a Qi charger. But the problem is, they came out about 4 years ago, so you're only buying new old stock. Oh, it is quite heavy. And if it's been sitting on a shelf, oh look, the label's a bit wonky. If it's it seems really weird trying to show, not to get the reflections on a cassette on the camera. If it's been sitting there for 4 years not being charged, there's a very good chance that the battery has had it. So yeah, it does. It is a it's kind of rubbery. It feels like a rubbery feel. It's like a soft touch plastic. So yep, out of spec, out of standard micro USB. And is it bent? Oh yeah, it's bent. So pre-bent. So normally if you've got an iPhone, you've sat on it and it's bent anyway. So yeah, it's a bit bent, which is a bit worrying. So let's find some... Oh, it's not a power bank. Okay, let me find a phone which has got Qi charging on it. Okay, so I found one with Qi charging on it. I'm really not expecting this to be very good, but it was just a bit of fun. I think it was £10 plus £5 postage, I think, something like that. So let's plug it in. I've never plugged in a USB cable into a cassette before. This is a bit weird. It feels soft. It is. It's rubbery. Oh no, my cable's not long enough. Hang on. There we go. So I've attached it to a, I think it's a 1 amp power bank. And I'm pretty sure my... Oh, look at that. My Pixel 7 Pro, it's got wireless charging on it. So there we go. Charging wirelessly. So that's cool. Right, so I wonder whether it stores a charge. Let's have a look. No, it doesn't store a charge. I thought I'd bought one which was like a power bank, so it would have a battery in it to charge up inside this, and then act as a wireless charger. But yep, it does work. So you never know. I might be getting one of those fancy iPhones. Maybe a 15, which I think's got Qi charging on it, and then I'll be able to put it on my cassette charging, my wireless cassette charger. So let's have a look and see if I can get, just hiding my phone number there, see if I can figure out what the charging rate is on this charger. There we go. So I've got a micro USB cable, which I think the standard is half an amp, 500 milliamp, but it's plugged into a 3 amp charger. And obviously it's plugged into the wireless device, and the screen is on, and I'm getting a net charge of 546 milliamps. So that's not bad. So if this is sitting on my desk all day and I'm picking it up and using it and putting it back, that should be sufficient to keep it topped up, or at a decent level. So I'm happy with that. It's just a big bit of fun, really. Recharge Remix Volume 1. So that's it. That's all for this one. Thanks very much. I'll see you in the next video. Nice and gentle for the battery.